Hey y'all, DSI here again. 335i M Sport manual, grey, freshly refurbished wheels. What do you think? I think pretty cool. Pretty cool car. In manual and M Sport, it's actually quite a rare combination. If you have a look online, you'll probably see there's not a huge amount available. We've got another two 335i's, again petrol. That's all I like here really. Nothing wrong with diesel, but for petrol. And with iDrive, they're not that common, believe it or not. I mean, this one is near enough immaculate. It really, really is. It's done 70,000 miles, top of my head. Literally fresh in, about to go online. I think it's going online for about 13, which is really competitive. Full service history. Probably will come serviced if need be, but it's just in really good condition. Such a nice colour. Just listen to it. It's warm engine. You know, genuinely well cared for example, this one. 74,000 miles. So yeah, let me know what you think. More videos to come, but as far as 335, if you're in the market for one, petrol and manual, and an M Sport, give us a shout. Cheers, bye.